Alright guys, jumping right on in, you are going to need some 4mm macrame cord. You're going to cut 2 pieces off at about 80 inches each, and to save on some material, you can use the back side at only 15 inches and the rest as your working pieces. Then all you have to do is tie square knot after square knot until you get to the end of that rope. There's a lot of video tutorials that show you how to go about making a square knot. I'm just going a little bit slow here for those that don't feel like going to check those out. But if this is complicated or doesn't look as detailed as what you're needing, there are other videos out there to show you how to start and complete a square knot. So this is kind of what it's going to look like, and just keep tying the knots and keep tying those knots. After you get to the end of your 15cm string that your working pieces get you to, you start formulating the tree. And with this, you kind of just have to play around with it and whatever looks good with the material that you have. And you'll see here, I'm just kind of going about it, taking a look and restructuring it slightly to get the shape that I'm looking for. And to show you guys, this is kind of what the tree looks like. So next step, you just have to add that piece of string, and that string piece that's going in the middle will kind of differ depending on how much of a hang position you want. Add yourself the bead because it is a tree and you do need that tree topper. And for this one, I decided to go ahead and use the top knot method. Most of my other ones that are currently on my Etsy shop, I didn't go this route, and you can pick whichever way you want to secure your tree. Cut off the excess at the end. And then make sure you kind of figure out how much of a frill you want. Those are about 5 inches worth of macrame cord, and just tie the knots, secure them, mess up the fringe to kind of get that fringy look. You can brush it out with the brush, which is what I did, and then chop off any extra to get the length of the fringe that you want. And that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want some of these and you don't feel like making them, check out my Etsy shop. It's all Knots Co, and I'll send some straight to your door. Happy Christmas, you guys.